For modern mechanical services, use Spectroline's products before, and really kind of got you out of a pinch when you're under the gun in the middle of summer and have to find those troublesome leaks. Put this in the system. All it takes is a little bit, and come back to the next service call, and you use a ultraviolet light and be able to shine over. Usually you find bad evaporator coils when you've checked all the U-bends and the braze fittings, and you still can't find that leak that's deep in the coil. Usually the ultraviolet oil film will come out of the coil and start leaking down towards the drain pan. It really helps out, especially when time constraints are in the middle of summer. Yeah, it's great products.